how I got my account from $50,000 to $150,000 in less than a year. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Hi guys, on today's episode, I just want to cover a little bit. I've been getting asked this question: how did you get your account from 50,000 to about 150,000 in less than a year? It's a pretty simple concept, what I've been doing, but I want to share it with you guys, and maybe this can help you guys in bettering your portfolio or making more money or doing whatever you have to do in order to get your accounts up. If you're struggling with your account, I think this can help you. It's 4 things that I've decided on, that I decided on a while back to do, and it's worked out for me. And these 4 things I usually apply to in every aspect of our business, because as you guys might know, we not only do, stocks and investing in the stock market, but we also do investing outside of there. We also do property investing, which there is a link below. Los Angeles Building and Design. We buy properties, we fix them up, we sell them on the market. We've been doing that for quite some time. But today, I want to talk about how we were able to get our portfolio from about 50. We do add along the way, but from $50,000 all the way up to 150, which has been pretty well done. We haven't even been in it for a year, but that's where we're at right now. Right here on a Robinhood account, I don't know if you guys remember, I did transfer out some of that money from Robinhood when all these things were going on with GME and stuff like that. So we did transfer out money from Robinhood, and we put it into Webull. Webull offers the pre-market trading at 4 in the morning. So I wanted to get some money in there. So we have about almost close to 29,000 in Webull. We took that out of our Robinhood account, and combined together, we're at about 150. Our Robinhood account is at about 121, 122. So guys, if you guys are interested in opening up an account, there's a link down below. There's a Webull link and there's a Robinhood link. You can go ahead and go through that link. You get free stock, so it's a win-win situation. Links are down below. Also, remember guys, with all this information I've been trying to put on all the videos I've been putting on there, follow us at Investing OG for the latest information. We're trying to update you guys as soon as possible. It does take some time to do these videos, so sometimes by the time I do the videos and get them out there, it's a little bit too late. So I try to put on there what I'm buying, shares of stock, any calls that I'm doing. You can follow along. We've been able to increase our portfolio. I think it's a good idea to follow us, but like I said, this is not financial advice. It's just our opinion. First point that I want to cover, the first one is mindset, guys. Mindset is a very important thing, not only in stocks, but in any aspect of your life. I'm going to give you a simple example. Tom Brady was let go by the Patriots last year, and he went over to the Tampa Bay Bucks. Tom Brady has a certain mindset that he kind of influences everybody around him to believe in him and to do things that are sometimes you're not able to do, but because you have that mindset, the mind is so powerful that it can control your actions and what you're able to do. Pretty much, if you can believe you can do something, you will do it, and if you're a non-believer, then it will never happen. That aspect, guys, of mindset has to be implemented in every aspect of your life. You have to know that in every aspect you're going to be able to succeed no matter what the situation is. And you have to believe that in your mind and in your heart. When you start believing that, when you start doing things for yourself, when you start doing things for others, your mind, and you repeatedly tell your mind that I'm going to be able to do this, and I'm going to be able to do this, and I'm going to be able to do this. Your mind adapts to that. And what you believe in, is what oftentimes becomes a reality. First step is mindset, guys. You have to have that mindset. Make sure you guys read them books. Make sure you guys go on YouTube. YouTube is like a free library, guys. There's all kinds of information. I've been able to apply this information to my personal life, to my mindset over time, and I think I've done pretty well because of that. So if you want to start off somewhere, you would want to start off with your mindset. First you have to change the mindset you have in order for everything else to follow. Okay? So that's the first point, guys. Second thing that has helped us out tremendously. Number 2, being committed. Commitment, guys. You know, in stocks, as in anything else, whether it's your job, whether it's your business, whether it's your personal life, whether it's your children, if you're not committed to whatever you're doing, trust me, it's not going to end up well. Okay? So commitment, staying up late, doing research, being on top of it every single day. Commitment is one of the most important things I could tell you. I wake up at 4 in the morning, guys. I go to bed at 11 at night. I'm on this all day, guys. It's not just me. It's me and other people as well. We share ideas, guys. We like to share ideas. We like to call plays. There's too many things going on for you to do it all by yourself. I have a couple of friends, I have a couple of family members that we share ideas. You know what? I didn't catch this play, but he sends me a text. My buddy sends me a text. Hey, look for this one. Oh, this one just dropped. Or that one. So it's like things happen so fast in the stock market that if you're trying to do everything by yourself, man, it's going to be almost nearly impossible because there's so many things, so many moving pieces happening. I tend to use a lot of Twitter, guys. I stay updated with Motley Fool. I stay updated with Bloomberg. I stay updated Yahoo Finances. I get email alerts. I get text alerts. I get all kinds of different things, guys. And if you guys want to know more information, just follow us because I try to get all this information out to you guys. So if you guys, like the information you're hearing, there's going to be plenty more to come. Okay? I try to get that information and I send it to you guys. So follow us on Twitter at OG Investing. That way you guys get the latest information. But also, please like and subscribe to this channel because it helps us tremendously. We're almost at 200 subscribers. I remember just starting a while back and we were at about 10. So it's grown. The channel's growing and I think it'll continue to grow. I think we do things pretty well on this channel. So putting the time in, guys, and doing the homework and doing your research on these companies and following through is going to make a big difference in your portfolio change, okay? So that's step number 2. Remember, guys, if you guys have any questions, if you want to go in deeper on this, hey, ask a question. I'm more than happy to respond, and I respond to all my questions that are asked in the comments down below. Please do so. Number 3, what is the third thing that we've implemented with all of this? Is investing in things that you believe in. Investing in companies that you believe in. Investing in property that I believe in. You see, guys, when you guys have something in your head and you do your research and you're committed and you have the proper mindset, then, guys, you guys can pretty much do whatever you want to do. So if you see a company, and I'll give you an example. In my company, there's a couple of different companies. I got Skills. I got LAC, which is Lithium Americas, and I've talked about that on different videos. I got Neo, and I got Fubo. Fubo TV. Those companies, I just see tremendous growth for them. So when you really believe in a company, you have to be willing to invest and not be scared, because anything can happen after you invest. Okay? And I get questions sometimes because I come out with a video and people say, well, I just lost this much money because I invested in it. Guys, an investment is not for one day or 1 week. You have to set your investment timeline. An investment can be for 1 day if you're planning just to flip that or swing trade it or day trade it. It can be. But on some of these calls and some of these plays that I come out with, I'm looking more long term. A year out, 2 years out, 5 years out. So don't expect any one certain play that I come out with and say and expect it to go from one day to another. Although they have, you have to know what's your risk tolerance. You have to know what's your timeline. You have to know when to get into the play, and you have to know when to get out of the play. Simple suggestion: get in low, get out high. Don't do it backwards, guys. All these stocks end up going low and end up going back up. If you wait it out, you get to see it right back up. It's gonna be on you. But I'll tell you one thing. It's happened to me a lot of times, and I try not to make it happen to me anymore. I use this 3-month model where I say 90 days can be my max on a swing trade. Okay? Because it's happened to me before, and I'll give you a perfect example. Lemonade. There was a dip on Lemonade, $40 last year, 50 bucks, and I bought tons of it, and it stayed for that price for about a month or so. Ended up getting rid of some. At the end, ended up getting rid of it. I made some money on it, but I didn't make the money that I was hoping to make. Because when I got rid of it, and I'm sure it's happened to you as well, after I got rid of it, the stock started going up and up and up and up. And if we look at Lemonade right now, which I haven't even kept an eye out, Lemonade is currently trading at $145, guys. So your impatience will lead to lost profits. Be patient enough. Give a play time so it could develop. Don't expect a 1 day gain, a 2 day gains, a 1 week. Some of these plays take time. But I'll tell you something. The ones that take time sometimes give payout a lot more. So with that, guys, that is number 3. And the fourth one, which is probably the most important one, because people tend to stay stuck sometimes. Fourth thing we do, and we've managed to get really well at, is simple, yet it's probably the hardest thing. It's taking profits, guys. Taking profits. Taking profits is an important part of buying and selling, okay? I know sometimes you guys see you bought a stock and it went up 10 bucks, and then it goes up another 5 bucks, and then it goes another 5 bucks, and you say, wow, when should I sell? When should I sell? When should I sell? Guys, I've seen stock go all the way up and come all the way down, and it's happened to me, and I'm sure it's happened to you. You'll see a big old rainbow because you watched it go all the way up and go all the way down. Charting is very important, guys. You want to be able to tell where your support levels and where your top levels are at. You want to be able to tell that, because you want to kind of get rid of some of these stock if you're not planning to hold for long term. Okay, you want to get rid of this stock because it's you don't want to watch the yo-yo just going up and down, and then you could have got in, got out, and got right back in and made a profit during that time. So taking profits is absolutely well, and it's absolutely something you must do, guys. You have to do it. So make sure you take profits on these plays, because this stock market that we're in right now, guys, is a very volatile stock market. moving forward, as long as the feds keep pumping money into it, I see it going up. After that's all said and done, we might reconsider at exactly what we're doing or how we're going to go about it. Okay? So taking profits is very important. You don't want to put this money in, buy this stock, watch it go all the way up, and then watch it come crashing down. Okay? You want to be able to know and tell yourself, you know what? I took some profit. I got some extra cash. I can reinvest that cash into something else that's low, and then watch that go up and get some more cash. And that's how you constantly make this account grow and grow and grow and grow. Sometimes we do calls and we're up on a call $1,000 in one day, in the same day. I don't hesitate one bit, guys, to take my profits on that and run. And you shouldn't either. Okay? Because taking profits is the absolutely right thing to do. Okay? Now, something that we do is, for example, I'll give you a simple example. We buy 100 shares of stock. Okay? Say those 100 shares of stock can be of NEO, whatever company you want to think of. You like the company. We like the company. We buy 100 shares, and this is a perfect example. Now, out of those 100 shares, we sell, once it goes up, we sell half of the position. And we keep half of the position. And with that sell that we did, we're able to either buy more of that position if we want to, or we can invest that money into something else. But over time, you see our position getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Buying and selling is not something you do, it's not something that's going to be done on a daily basis sometimes. Sometimes it takes a while because it goes down. That gives you an opportunity to buy more for cheaper. And then it goes back up, and that gives you an opportunity to sell more at a higher point. So, guys, really consider this information. I think it's helped us out tremendously. I think it'll help you guys out as well. And, I mean, at the end of the day, it's all about making money. I love doing this. I love business. I'm committed 100%. I hope you guys got something out of this video. If you guys did, please share, thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. With that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go, and I'll see you on the next one.